When people visit Ras Mohammed, they usually stop at one or two of the famous spots and then head back home. But after 3 days here, we realized this park is much bigger than it seems at first glance. There are calm lagoons, there are reefs where you can simply relax, and there are deep reefs that can make even experienced swimmers a little nervous. There are places where life is exploding on every square meter, and encounters you will never forget. And there are places that still remain a mystery to us. Back then, we had no idea we would keep coming back here again and again. Our first stop, Anemon City. And if someone asked me where to experience the Red Sea for the very first time, I would choose this place. The water is calm. The entrance is sandy. Tiny reef fish are everywhere. Nobody is in a hurry. Even the fish look like they're on vacation. It was the most relaxing place we saw during all our trips. But a very different Ras Mohammed was waiting for us next. The next stop was Main Beach, and the difference was immediate. That day, the tide was extremely low. To reach deeper water, we literally had to climb across the coral. At that moment, I already suspected this was not going to be an easy swim. Then the ocean opened beneath us. Real depth. And that was the first moment I truly understood how different the sea can be. My boyfriend was still hoping to see a shark. And I was still hoping not to. So while he scanned the blue abyss for something big and toothy, I was pretending nothing was down there at all. No sharks showed up that day. But something else did. A freediver which suddenly appeared. Pufferfish stellatus in the deep. And when we were swimming back, the sea gave us the last present. A lionfish appeared. And she clearly had no idea she was supposed to be afraid of humans. She just calmly posed for the camera like she owned the entire reef. As we were leaving Ras Mohammed, we thought our adventure was over. We had no idea. That coming back was only the beginning. We returned and spent 2 days and one unforgettable night inside Ras Mohammed National Park.